Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really handy trick that every UI or UX designer should know: how to add a clickable link to an icon in Figma. Maybe you're putting together a prototype, or maybe you want to show a client how they could use social icons to connect with their users. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add links into icons in Figma, making your designs not only look polished but feel interactive too. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've got your Figma project open and ready to go. If you're brand new to Figma, don't worry, just head over to Figma.com and either log in or create a free account. Once you're in, open up a new or existing file where you want to place your icon. Think of this as setting up your canvas before you start painting. It's an essential first step. Now let's actually grab the icon we want. For this tutorial, we'll use a Facebook icon, which is super common in UI designs. I always recommend using material design icons because they're high quality, scalable, and super easy to integrate into Figma. To get your Facebook icon, you can either use the Material Symbols plugin inside of Figma or head directly to materialdesignicons.com, search for Facebook, and download the SVG file. In Figma, just drag and drop that SVG right onto your canvas. If you're using the plugin, simply search for Facebook and insert it directly. Give yourself a moment here, take a second to position your icon exactly how you like it. This is your chance to make it stand out. Once your icon's on the canvas, it's time to add a text label that will actually function as our clickable link. Select the text tool on the left side of your screen. It usually looks like a little T. Click anywhere near your icon and type out the full URL you want to link to. In this case, we'll enter www.facebook.com. It's important to use the full web address so Figma and anyone viewing your design knows precisely where the link's supposed to go. You can style this text however you like, make it smaller, change the font, or even match Facebook's blue if you want it to feel more on brand. Remember, it's all about keeping things visually appealing and clear for your audience. Okay, now here's the magic part: creating the actual link. With either the icon or the text selected, look up to your right and you'll see a little prototype tab at the top. Click that and you'll notice you can set interactions. Drag the blue node from your icon or your text to the little plus symbol above the frame, and in the interaction options, set it to Open Link. Now just paste in www.facebook.com as the destination. This step ties all your work together, turning a static image or text into something your users can click on, just like they would in a real app or website. Don't worry if it takes a couple clicks to find your way around these settings. Figma's powerful, but it gets easier with practice. And just like that, you've added a clickable link to an icon in Figma. You can test it out by entering present mode, hover over your icon or text, and you'll see the clickable cursor. It's a simple process, but it really levels up your prototypes and interactions, making them feel much more real and engaging. Remember, you can use these steps for all kinds of icons: Instagram, LinkedIn, or even custom buttons. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop any questions or share your own tips in the comments. I love hearing from you all. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you want more intuitive Figma tricks and UI UX tutorials. Until next time, happy designing.